Guys, let's learn how to simplify algebraic expressions. First, to simplify an expression means to write it in the simplest form where no operation can be done again. So being addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division cannot be done on it again. Let's use this example to simplify expressions. The first thing that we do if you want to simplify an expression is to expand the bracket. For this example, we will expand the bracket to get 8x plus 4 plus, using the distributive property, the 3 will multiply the 2x, then it will also go and multiply the 3. That is the distributive property. We have 3 multiplying 2x give us 6x, then 3 multiplying the negative 3 will give us negative 9. That is the first step. We expand the bracket. We then collect like terms. Collecting like term means to group like terms. So we take all like terms to one side. And like terms are those with the same variables. The variables may have the same powers. So if this one, we have 8x and 6x being the same like terms, then we have 4 minus 9. We then rewrite the expression. That is by adding or subtracting like terms. So 8x plus 6x will give us 14x. Then plus 4 minus 9 is minus 5. With this is the lowest form. We have expressed the algebraic expression, simplified it in the lowest form. So with this expression, no addition, subtraction, division, or multiplication can be done on it again. So we say that this algebraic expression is in the lowest form. Right. Thank you.